Now, a couple of things I'd like to make you aware of that will support how the Halcyon works. First of all, very often when we are stressed and overwhelmed, we breathe high up in the chest. We tend to lift our shoulders and puff up the chest. So when you try and you're practicing with your Halcyon, just relax the shoulders, just let them melt down gently, sitting up and breathing rather from the belly area as opposed to the top chest. So it's always wonderful to try and visualize that you're taking your nose and you're putting your nose in between your belly button and your ribs. So even though you're breathing in through the nose, as you breathe in, you're breathing from that place above the belly button and just below the ribs. The second pointer is to really try and slow and extend the exhale. You see, when you extend your exhale, you start to activate your vagus nerve. And your vagus nerve is the nerve that switches off the stress response and switches on the relaxation response. This is not what it looks like. Even though you may feel like that's how you want to use it when you're overwhelmed or stressed or panicking. But when you practice using the Halcyon, you're going to remember you're relaxing your shoulders, breathing in through the nose, from the belly, and breathing out long and slow. And repeat, breathing in through the nose, from the belly, relaxing the shoulders, and exhaling long and slow. By the time you've done this 3 to 4 times, you will have switched off the stress response and the relaxation response will be activated. It's a physiological thing. So practice it, use it, and enjoy it.